This video on managing passwords on Fusion doesn't apply to any school where single sign-on has been set up to log into Fusion. For all other schools, users will be using usernames and passwords to log into the system. To manage passwords, log in as the administrator and then go to Manage Password Manager. On this screen, any teacher can reset student passwords, reveal student passwords, and reveal group passwords. In addition to this, the admin login can reset teacher passwords and reset the admin password. If any user on the system has changed their password to a private one, you will not be able to reveal that password. It will be listed as private. To manage the password policy, click here and decide whether teachers and students can change their password. If they do change their password, it must adhere to the school's password policy that's set up here. Must the password contain an uppercase character, a numeric character, and a special character? And here the admin can also decide how long the password needs to be. As admin, you can also bulk reset passwords. Go to the User Manager, and from this drop-down, Bulk Users, you can choose to change the password. Make a selection in the People Chooser box by choosing groups of students, class groups, or any other combination of users on your system. So I'm going to choose all the members of one of my classes. You can see that if you choose a class, the staff members are included as well as the students. So I'm only going to choose some of these students to change their password. You then choose the format of the password, click Continue, and all the passwords will be reset to comply with whichever format you chose. If, for example, you had chosen that students would get a random 4-number password, and this did not comply with the password policy, if the students were set to not be able to change their password, they would continue to be able to use this password. If you had allowed students to be able to change their password, they will then be asked to put in a password that complies with the password policy. To find a printable list of usernames and passwords, go to Manage and print off the login slips for the group that you're interested in. So that's how to manage passwords on Fusion.